Hurricane Irma was just horrifying. Many were simply left without any place to live or not having any place else to go, stayed in truly unhealthy conditions.
Habitat's all about helping people help themselves, but many of the people that we're helping in this disaster recovery, they can't help themselves.
Up here, you can see where it really leaked badly. Every door that other people were walking through to get funding was getting slammed in my face.
To see it all ruined, especially my kids' belongings, the toys, their beds, that was really hard.
We didn't know what we were going to do to come up with the funds to repair.
Unfortunately, there's still lots of work that needs to be done. There's so many people out there that need help. They're our neighbors.
A home is the foundation upon which all of our lives are built. People need to get back home.
Because of Habitat, I can call myself a mom. We have our home now, and we're happy.
We're just pleased as can be. Habitat came through and put a whole new roof on, and that we really appreciate.
I am just so grateful to Habitat. There's light at the end of the tunnel now. Unless you've been through this yourself, you won't know how much that means, that there's still good people left in this world.